Okay, what are we doing today? We are painting this really beat up old bathroom countertop, and it was a lot worse over here. What I'm using is Rustoleum's Countertop Paint, or coating as they call it. This is Coastal Blue, and this is my, set this down here in a drawer right now. This is a set I made myself. This is a regular 9-inch roller. I found these 6-inch foam rollers at a discount tool place. Of course, I didn't have a 6-inch roller to fit, but so kind of made it, and it's passing. So anyway, this stuff rolls on, and I've read someplace that you should use a foam roller. Probably should have bought the cheap ones from Walmart, but hey, this roller was like 29 cents at the discount place. It rolls on very good. I like how it rolls on. It also paints with a brush. Goes on really smooth, and it's covering really well. Pretty thick, not as thick as I would like an epoxy or anything, but still it's pretty nice, and it will run on you. I've got a little bit in the sink here. I'll get that off right quick, because this does seem to dry pretty quick. So if you get any drips, you're going to want to get them taken care of. Yeah, see, that's already dried. So that's just been a few minutes. So anyway, you'll want to get them done. It will come off like a latex. So, but anyway, pretty impressed with it. Now I'll do probably at least 3 coats on this. Maybe more. May even hit it with just a little light sanding between coats. It depends on how the surface comes out. But this foam roller is the way to go. It's laying it off really nice and smooth, as you can see, and I'm really liking that. So anyway, if you're looking for something to dress up some countertops, you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a rental. But if I had a bathroom and I needed some countertops redone, and I wouldn't hesitate to use this. It's very, I think the quart is like $25, I want to say, at Lowe's. This is where I got it, Lowe's. And it's very economical, because this quart will do this. You can see this is probably a 4-5 foot top. And yes, sports fans, I am freehanding it. No tape needed. So anyway, see, it goes on really smooth. I'll come back and I'll roll over that backsplash. This has been painted before, but and that's all right. I think whoever did it before just used regular latex paint though. But this is it's pretty nice stuff. It's dry. It does have a smell to it, I will warn you. It does have a pretty hefty little smell to it, so be prepared for that. And you see this is already pretty much dry. This looks tacky, and I painted that just a few minutes ago. So anyway, need a countertop redone. Look at let me get this out for you. Now this comes in, you have to have it tinted, and it comes in all these colors right here. I don't know if you can see that. And we have the Coastal Blue, and it's pretty neat. So anyway, Something to think about if you need counters redone. It's going on really nice, and I can imagine the third or fourth coat I put over this is going to be pretty awesome. So anyway, Donald, bluecollardiy.com. I'm out. Don't forget to like and subscribe down in there. Click that little bell thing so you'll get notified every time that I have a new video posted. And I'm going to get this finished up. And we may put some after pictures in here. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Donald, I'm out.